What's up everyone, welcome to Football Dose. Love him or hate him, Cristiano Ronaldo is one of the greatest footballers to ever live on this planet. Only a few people can match his records in football. For some professional players, scoring 50 goals in their entire career is a big achievement. But Cristiano Ronaldo has scored over 50 hat-tricks alone. That just showcases what caliber of a player he actually is. As a neutral, you can only admire this man's greatness. Today, Football Dose is celebrating Cristiano Ronaldo, and in this video, we are going to look at 7 of the greatest performances by the man, the myth, the legend, Cristiano. Cristiano Ronaldo has scored around 800 goals and has over 1000 professional appearances in football. So you can only imagine how hard is it for us to narrow down his 7 greatest performances. But we have applied a selection criteria. We have 3 factors that define our selection criteria. Number 1 is the individual contribution of Cristiano Ronaldo. Number 2 is the importance of that particular match. And number 3 is the quality of the goals scored. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Number 7. Juventus 1, Real Madrid 4. Champions League Final, 3 June 2017. After a slow start to the UCL campaign, Cristiano Ronaldo came alive in the knockout stages of the Champions League. He scored a hat-trick against Bayern Munich, a hat-trick against Atletico Madrid, and then a brace in the final against the mighty Juventus. Juventus posed an impressive defense throughout the UCL campaign in 2016, but Cristiano Ronaldo turned the page in the final of the Champions League. He scored a brilliant first half goal with a 1-2-1 with Dani Carvajal and slotted it past Buffon in a fantastic style. In the second half, via a Modric ball into the box, Cristiano Ronaldo slotted home his second goal of the match and equaled the tally of Messi of 10 goals for that season. This also helped Zidane to win his second consecutive UCL for Real Madrid and club's 12th overall. In context, this was one of the most impressive campaigns by Cristiano Ronaldo in the Champions League. This is our pick for the number 7 spot. Number 6. Barcelona 1, Real Madrid 2, April 2012. This day is remembered by most fans as the day when Cristiano Ronaldo silenced the Camp Nou. This gave birth to the Calma celebration by Cristiano Ronaldo. In a tense and nervy affair, Cristiano Ronaldo scored to end any hopes of Barcelona title win for that season. This also helped Real Madrid to gain the momentum to secure 100-point tally for the season. In this season, Cristiano Ronaldo scored 46 league goals and 60 goals in all competitions. This was Real Madrid's first title in 4 years, and Cristiano Ronaldo played a huge part in it. Number 5. Portugal 3, Spain 3, 15 June, World Cup 2018. This was a game that really set the tournament alight in Russia. Portugal was going head-to-head with the Spaniards. On paper, Spain was clearly the better side, but that was not the case on the pitch. Cristiano Ronaldo started the game by winning a penalty in the 4th minute by a foul from Nacho Fernandez. Cristiano Ronaldo slotted the penalty on the right-hand side of the goal and then went on to score a hat-trick. But it was the 3rd goal by Cristiano that really shocked the world. It was in the later stages of the game when Cristiano Ronaldo slotted himself outside the box and Piqué fouled him. Spain were leading 3-2 via a Nacho volley from outside the box. Cristiano, being the captain of Portugal, had to score this goal. And football fans know that Cristiano Ronaldo lives and dies for these pressure situations. And he slotted a beautiful curling free kick past the wall into the back of the net. David De Gea could only stare at his brilliance. It just goes on to show how calm and how focused Cristiano can be and how deadly he is in these type of situations. If he didn't score this goal, Portugal would most likely be out of the World Cup. Arsenal 1, Manchester United 3, Champions League semi-final, 5th May 2009. This was arguably the greatest Cristiano Ronaldo performance in a Manchester United shirt. After winning the first leg 1-0, it was predicted that Arsenal would give a tough time to Manchester United, but Cristiano Ronaldo decided otherwise. He gave an assist to Ji-sung Park to open the scoring for Manchester United. But within 11 minutes, Cristiano Ronaldo changed the course of the game. He won a foul from Robin van Persie and scored a stunning free kick from 35 yards out. The whole stadium went silent and Cristiano Ronaldo was once again man for the headlines. Cristiano Ronaldo scored a brilliant counter-attacking goals later to help Manchester United capture a 3-1 victory over their rivals and paved their way to the Champions League final in 2009. His 1 assist and 2 goals helped him secure a 9.6 rating in the match, and this was arguably one of the most stunning nights in UCL history. Sweden 2, Portugal 3, World Cup qualifying playoff, 19 November 2013. This is considered by many Portugal fans as one of the greatest performances by Cristiano Ronaldo in the international team jersey. It was the 2 heavyweights going head-to-head for the spotlight, Zlatan Ibrahimovic of Sweden and CR7 of Portugal. and at the end CR7 came out with all the answers. Cristiano once again scored an incredible hat-trick at the Friends Arena in Stockholm and crushed any hope of a Swedish dream to play at the World Cup of 2014. Cristiano Ronaldo scored 3 impressive goals and was lively throughout the match. Cristiano once again proved why he is the man for the big occasion. It was also a memorable night for Cristiano because he became Portugal's top scorer that night with 50 goals, dethroning Pauleta, who was left behind at 47. Real Madrid 3, Wolfsburg 0, Champions League quarter-final, 12th April 2016. In Real Madrid's hour of need, one man showed up again, and that was Cristiano Ronaldo, with a brilliant hat-trick. Real Madrid were 2-0 down in the first leg and had to do something magical. Ronaldo came up with all the answers. In the first half, he scored a simple goal from a Dani Carvajal cross, which somehow made his way through to Ronaldo and he tapped it home. For the second goal of a cruise corner, Cristiano scored a brilliant header into the far corner and got his team level. In the later part of the second half, Cristiano got a free kick 25 yards out from the goal. He took a deep breath, like always, and delivered, slotting the ball through the ball into Wolfsburg net, crushing any hope left. Cristiano had an air of inevitability this night, and he clearly showed to the world why he is considered to be one of the greatest footballers and goal scorers of our generation. Number 1. Juventus 3, Atletico Madrid 0, Champions League round of 16, 22nd March 2019. This is described by many Juventus fans as a magical night. Cristiano Ronaldo moved to Juventus in the summer and wanted to make a mark in Juventus' history. Juventus went 2-0 down in the first leg at the Wanda Metropolitano. Atletico Madrid posed a great defense and arguably had one of the greatest defenses in Europe at that time. Fans of Atletico Madrid were taunting Cristiano Ronaldo on social media and in real life as well. Cristiano left the stadium by posing up his 5 fingers to show the number of Champions League he has won so far. Cristiano was definitely furious, and an angry Cristiano has never ended well for any opposition in the past, and this night was no different. The best defense in the world at that time was torn apart by Cristiano Ronaldo. He scored 2 brilliant headers and a late penalty to help Juventus qualify for the next round. Cristiano was at the absolute peak of his powers on this night and showed again why he is such an extraordinary player. Juventus came out blazing and left blazing, and it was all because of one. Do you agree with our list? Or do you think there is some other performance in Cristiano's wide array of matches that deserved a spot on this list? If so, then let us know in the comment down below. And as always, we'll talk to you in a while.